What if your next Android device wasn't a phone, wasn't a tablet, and didn't even have a screen? Meet PlugMate, powered by the newly unveiled PlugOS, a pocket-sized computer that turns any device you own into a gateway for a completely separate, secure Android system. It's not an emulator, not a dual-boot trick. PlugMate runs its own 8-core processor, its own memory, its own fully encrypted storage, all isolated from whatever it's plugged into. Full disk hardware encryption protects everything on board. Pre-boot authentication ensures no one gets in without your approval. And if someone tries, multiple self-destruct modes stand ready to wipe data instantly. In short, it behaves like a self-contained Android computer. Your phone or laptop simply becomes the display and keyboard, nothing more. To boost privacy, PlugOS uses virtualized sensors. That means apps see only what you allow. No direct hardware access, no silent data leaks. Of course, with its compact design and mobile-class chip, PlugMate isn't built for power-hungry workloads. Think secure messaging, browsing, productivity, not 3D gaming. Priced at $299, currently discounted to $199, it's a premium solution for privacy-focused users. But here's the twist. A budget Android phone running a hardened ROM like GrapheneOS can offer similar flexibility and sometimes even better performance. Still, PlugMate delivers something different, a tiny physical enclave you can carry anywhere, your own portable encrypted workspace, no cloud login, no cross-device exposure. So, is this the future of secure mobile computing or just the next niche gadget? Let us know what you think.